The Deference Emotion System. What is it, how does it work, and what are its implications? Think of a time where you felt the need to conform to your environment. At some point in our lives, most of us could likely identify such a situation. This kind of behavior derives itself from the societal need to feel accepted and can occur in many different situations. These choices and the implications are what Thomas Sheff termed the Deference Emotion System. This system aims to explore what it is about social situations that cause people to assimilate into their environment. It is essentially rooted in the emotions of shame and reward we feel when conforming or deviating from expectations. When stepping outside these norms, we may find ourselves grappling with the shame of being outcast, and when adhering to expectations, we may be accompanied by feelings of acceptance. Although many psychological theories exist, it is the social identity and self-discrepancy theories that are highly applicable to this system. The social identity theory seeks to define how individuals perceive themselves in terms of group memberships by distinguishing between personal and social identities. As the social identity theory hinges on how people view one another to inform self-perception, it provides a relevant connection to the deference emotion system, which is built on the idea that people behave in specific ways due to the presence of others. Additionally, the self-discrepancy theory divides itself into three components: the actual, ideal, and ought selves. Inconsistencies between these selves can result in negative emotions like shame, anxiety, and dissatisfaction, not dissimilar to the feelings represented by the deference emotion system that arise when defying social expectations. Now that we've covered these theories, let's look at what drives us to fit in. Motivation comes in various forms but can generally be categorized as either intrinsic or extrinsic. Intrinsic motivations are those rooted in personal values. They may manifest as a desire to engage in activities purely for the fun of it, or pursuing goals aligned with personal values. As of current understanding, these are less likely to be the primary drivers behind actions related to the deference emotion system. On the other hand, extrinsic motivations are those associated with external factors and sources of reward. These are the motivations driven by the desire to please others, achieve external goals and rewards such as recognition, and avoiding punishments like demotions. Whilst a significant portion of the deference emotion system relies on extrinsic motivations, it is important to recognize that both forms of motivations often coexist to influence behavior. So, when we act with or without deference, are we solely aiming to please others, or is there an inner drive for personal satisfaction? The deference emotion system offers a promising tool for understanding why we compromise our authentic selves to fit in. Such a tool might empower individuals to recognize when they are more likely to alter their character to conform, providing them with self-awareness and agency to make more authentic choices. In future research, perhaps we can redirect our focus toward understanding the underlying factors and inner desires that lead to our yearning for acceptance, offering a way to help navigate our way around anxieties about conformity and even fears of rejection.